Hello, fellow Aero-Swingers. Hey, I'm going to go through something right now. I want to talk about overload and underload training using Aero-Swing, right? When you purchase Aero-Swing, you will see that it's going to come with two of these units. So you get two of these in your box. A new product that is coming out in the next week or two is this Aero-Swing Mini, right? And you're going to use this. You're going to want to buy this too, and I'll tell you why. Okay, so let me go through a couple things first. I'm going to take this head off and we're going to weigh it, okay? I'll show you why we're going to do this. So we'll take this off, and I've done a little research on these, and these all weigh pretty much about the same. They all weigh about 6.5 ounces when you take them off and weigh them. We take this off. So I'll set this on the scale. Okay, looking right at 6.6 ounces, okay? 6.5 ounces, let's say. All right, so remember this. This weighs close to 4 ounces, and this weighs 2.5 ounces, okay? And I'll weigh these later too so you could see. So 4 plus 2.5 is 6.5 ounces, right? Isn't that magical how that's basically the same weight as the head on your driver? Let me show you could use these pieces for overload and underload training. So here's what you're going to do. Is you're going to take your club head off and you're just going to use your shaft, right? I recommend maybe find an older shaft that you could use because I don't want anybody striking this into the ground and damaging this. That'll cost you some money to get it replaced. And we've got a new product that's going to be coming out in a couple months that will include our own Aero shaft with a stub piece on the end, and I'll have a video out later about that. But for now, this is something that you could use. So basically, as you put one of these on, it's kind of cool. You guys will feel this when you swing it at home. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to swing this. And we have a nice workout program just for this. So what you'll do is swing this. I'll have some videos later. You see me swinging it. My swing sucks, but you see me swinging it anyway. So when I'm swinging this in my training, in my underspeed training, underload training, I'm swinging something that's 2.5 ounces lighter than my normal shaft, right? So I'm going to go actually quite a bit quicker with this than I would with just my, my club head on the end of it. But what this gives me when I swing is not just a lighter weight, but again, this is what Aero-Swing does, right? Is you have that impact point right before striking the ball where you're going to feel this thing really grab and you're going to feel that resistance as you come down, okay? So that would be your underload training. So I'm going to take this off. So again, this weighs how much? 4 ounces, right? Actually, you know what? So actually, I'll leave this on. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on, and what I'm going to do is add the Aero-Swing Mini. How much does this weigh? 2.5 ounces, right? So when I put this on the club, as I swing this, now I'm swinging 6.5 ounces, which is the same weight as the head of my club. But when when I swing this and when I come down, you're going to feel that resistance. You'll see when you swing it, like, oh wow, this is cool. So when you come down about 45 degrees to ball impact, it's not just the weight that you're swinging, you're going to feel that special resistance that Aero-Swing has to offer. And then for your overspeed training, what you're going to do is you're going to take this off, right? Remember, what does this weigh? 2.5 ounces? So what you're going to do is you're going to put your second regular size Aero-Swing on this. Again, black towards the bottom, white towards the top. And you're going to swing this. Now you're swinging about 8 ounces, right? Instead of 6.5. So this is your overspeed training part. But I'm telling you, when you pull down on this, you're going to feel that resistance. It's kind of cool because you don't have much more weight than what you have with this. But the beauty of it is you feel that resistance right at impact point, right? So the program has you going back and forth between, swinging something that's less resistance to something that's more resistance. A typical way to do your overspeed and underspeed training. What we have that nobody else has is we have the ability to cause air resistance right at ball impact point. That is the patent, right? The patent was just awarded a couple weeks ago, which is pretty cool. But that's what this is about. These will be coming out in the next week or two, actually probably about 2 to 3 weeks. You'll see these on the website, so you could order these So I suggest you to get one of these so you could do all this training. If you don't buy one of these, you could still do something similar to this if you have two shafts. So let's say that you want to do your underspeed training, which is this, right? Well, what you could do is just grab a regular driver and just swing that, because now you're swinging the normal 6.5 ounces. And then to do your overspeed training is you put the second one on this shaft. Whoops, get on there. And you'll feel it, and then you could feel this as you come down, okay? So that's underspeed and overspeed training with Aero-Swing. I hope you guys use it this way. I find it really, really helpful. I'm very excited about this. Very excited about this new shaft that we'll be coming out with in the next probably three months. So you'll see that coming out on the market too, okay? Thanks so much. Remember, resistance equals distance. Catch you guys later. Bye.